as of the hard date, all 3G devices will no longer function. The awareness around the business disruption, if you have those reliant systems that you haven't considered upgrading in time, it will be a huge impact. And being aware around the obsolete hardware, we've seen some quite interesting initiatives, and not really positive ones, where people are being encouraged to try and upgrade existing hardware, as a stopgap. The reality is the market has moved so far, and with all the mandates and smart onboard mass, it's actually a perfect opportunity to take a hard look at exactly what you need and then refresh. If you're with Vodafone, 15th of December is your deadline. If you're with Telstra like us, we're working towards the 30th of June, and Optus is bringing up the rear in September of 2024. And I think, again, from our side, we're ready to assist, even if it's just a case of having a discussion to help you understand what's in your environment and work through it with you. We're more than happy to do that. Our market has come so far around creating the connected ecosystem, and we are in this fantastic opportunity right now where everything that you've seen here today exists. And it's one of those things that I like sort of referencing self-driving vehicles and trucks. A lot of the discussion we have is around stuff that's coming, and it's innovation that's coming. The reality is that there's innovation right here, right now, and everything that we've spoken through, it exists. From a technology perspective, we're very confident in being able to help overcome any challenges, and also understanding all the regulatory requirements that again are coming through to help us drive change. So it's a very exciting time for our industry.